I'm Stephanie Susskind with the School District of Palm Beach County at Mounts Botanical Garden, the site of one of this year's community experiences for our students. Every third grader will get to experience the beauty of this garden.
Then we can go to the maze.
Jason and his classmates from Lake Park Elementary School loved navigating around Mounts Botanical Garden. The self-guided tour gave them the freedom to explore and the flexibility to find their own path.
We can learn all about plants.
They're like showing me where to go. So they're super excited about it, and it's an awesome opportunity. We're glad that we were able to do it.
Third grade teacher Stephanie Adams says the chance to leave campus helped the students bring their classroom learning to life. And that's one goal of the School District of Palm Beach County's strategic plan, to offer more students the opportunity for hands-on learning out in the community.
Something so beautiful down the street that they would not have experienced otherwise is amazing.
Good morning, welcome.
Down the road at the Kravis Center for the Performing Arts, every fifth grade student discovered the magic of a live theater performance.
This is really fancy.
The show had a lot of energy. The kids actually enjoyed themselves. They was out of their seats, dancing, singing.
New this year as part of the arts and culture experience for sixth grade students, a breathtaking trip to the Norton Museum of Art.
And I'm very happy to be here today.
I think the Norton made it really interactive for our students and able to connect with the artwork, whether they have a background or an interest in art or if it's their first time ever being at a museum. What Superintendent Burke is doing for all students is a great opportunity for our students to see different areas of Palm Beach County.
Seventh graders become scientists and one with nature through exciting trips to some of our community's gems.
So all of these polyps create a big structure.
Juniors and seniors open their eyes to new job opportunities at career fairs, thanks to Junior Achievement of the Palm Beaches and Treasure Coast and Junior Achievement of South Florida.
Our goal is to inspire students and make sure that when they graduate high school, they have those real life skills that they need in order to be successful.
I'm learning that there's so many different things to pursue in Palm Beach County alone.
I found that there's more jobs and more places I could either go to now, like internships, or later in the future, apply to college.
Thanks to strong community partnerships, students are learning what makes living and working in Palm Beach County so special and creating opportunities and memories they'll never forget.